RB25 is going to get a fresh set of R35 GTR coils from Velocity Element. We'll go ahead and pull out these OEM replacement style coils that are very old and crusty now. Looks like we got one OEM and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 aftermarket OEM replacements. And again, we'll be replacing with the R35 coils from Velocity Element. It's also just a 3-pin connector, so super easy, same as the original coils. The good thing about the Velocity Element coils is you can also purchase them with the plugs and pins you'll need to make a new coil harness. All the OEM style coils are out. Boy, that thing is looking crusty as can be. Those valve covers desperately need attention. But one of the good things about switching out the OEM style coils, at least on the Series 1 RV, is you'll also be able to delete the igniter chip. In this case, it was fine, but less parts to fail, the better. So that's now gone, as is all of these super crusty coils. And the healthiest harness with absolutely the most crusty. Oh yeah, that's good. I think these clips are pretty much perfect. We'll go ahead and reuse that one for sure. All the VE R35 coils are in, not bolted down yet, so we can test, make sure they're all working. Got a little DIY harness I made up. Kind of regret doing that. Wish I would have just bought the plug-in harness to make my life easier. Not that hard to build, but to be honest, I just don't have the time to do it right now. But anyway, got it done. And here it is. We just got to get it plugged in. And then we got the 6-pin DTM for each signal to each coil, and the OEM connector for power and tack signal off of the number 1 coil. Got the 6-pin DTM plugged in and the OEM power plugged in. All the coils are plugged in, ready to be tested. Then we can bolt them down and throw the cover back on. Oh yeah. Sounds real happy. Running on all 6. Time to bolt those coils down and go test it with a little bit of boost. All right, successful testing. Coils bolted down, cover back on. Now that valve cover and coil pack cover need to be repainted. What color? What colors? I didn't hate the black with gold dots, but it obviously stood up very badly. Looks like that front cam cover needs some attention as well. All black, more black, can't go wrong.